Okay, so here's the deal. This is not my normal setup. It actually technically is, but this is not what you normally see. I've gotten so many PR packages in lately, and I've just been so busy I haven't been able to post them. Normally when I get a package, I will post a little individual video on my TikTok or Instagram or Lemonade or something like that, but I just haven't had time. And I thought, you know what? I want to sit down actually and start to do YouTube videos again. So why don't I show some of the packages that I've gotten in? I can sit here and tell you my favorite things, and we can just chat and talk about it because I just want to talk about it. So the first one I want to go over is actually, I'm looking at it right now. It's the new Glamnetic nail collection. I love Glamnetic press-on nails. I don't have a nail now because I'm about to put a new pair on, which is so exciting, but also each time they release a new collection, I swear they do not miss. I just don't know what style to use because all of them are so cute. So I'm so excited to show you guys this new collection. It is stunning. It's absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. So this is their Snow Day collection. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. They're amazing. I love each pair so much. So let's start with Merlot. Okay, I'm gonna actually flip my camera and show you close-ups of these so you can see what I'm talking about. But Merlot is this gorgeous, I was gonna say wine color, I might as well say Merlot color. It's just a deep burgundy. What I love about this is it's a French tip style, but it's all the same color because it features a matte and a shiny part. So you have the matte base with a shiny tip. I just love it. I love the cohesive one color. This is like my go-to color for fall, so I'm so excited that they released something like this. Everyone's going to love this. This is Red Affair. So it's perfect for the holiday seasons because it's a glittery red French tip. I feel like this is so needed. I love French tip style. The next one is Silver Belle. So it features a nude pinky base with a silver line or detail in the nail bed there. It's super cute. Great for if you want more of like a natural neutral style, but still want a little something something. You can rock this Silver Belle style. Then there's 24K, which is, oh, it's just so gorgeous. Again, you have the pinky nude base. It is a short almond style, and you have the glitter foil that's kind of dripping down the nail. I love that. I love how it's still, again, neutral and natural, but each nail is slightly different, so it brings that little bit of fun to your manicure. The next style is Silent Night. It features a white snowy base, and it has silver detailing through it. I think it's super cute. I love white nails. This is like a really fun way to do a white nail in winter, in my opinion, just because it has that silver accent to it. Oh my god, all of these are so pretty. I don't know which one like to say is my favorite, but there's something about the glazed kind of magnetic iridescent nail style, and Oslo is so stunning. So it's more of a gray, glittery, iridescent glazed finish nail. It's like you're gonna put it in the sun and it's gonna give you a moment, and you're gonna have a moment, and you're gonna want to put your nails in the sun all the time. If you're like, Oslo just needs, you know, a little bit of color, meet Frozen. Frozen, it's just the most beautiful icy blue color with a glittery iridescent finish to it. It's absolutely stunning, like I said. And even though it's not their newest collection, I have to show love to the Harry Potter collection really quickly. Give me one moment. This collection is amazing. Like I said, Glamnetic never misses. Some of these nails you are gonna be able to tell that they're Harry Potter, but most of them, if you didn't know they're a Harry Potter collection, you would have no clue. They know. Glamnetic just knows what the people need, what the people want, and they deliver each time. So this is Murata's map. What's so cool about this is it's a heat style, so it's this gorgeous like deep red burgundy kind of color, but it reveals a map once it gets hot. Then we have Gryffindor, which is this gorgeous style right here. Then we have Golden Cup. I don't even know how to describe the base color. I guess it's kind of like a dirty golden color, and then it has the little designs on it, so that's cute. Then we have Ravenclaw. Love French manicure nail. It has a gorgeous electric blue tip. Some of the nails have a little raven on it on the very outer corner. Next, I love this style. This is Deathly Hollows. This is stunning. Again, we have that one color French nail where it's the matte and the shiny, but some nails have different kind of shiny designs over them, so this is really cute and fun, and I love a black nail. The next is Hufflepuff, a French tip style. This is more of a negative French tip style, and then you have the emblem on that ring finger. This is actually one of my favorite styles. This is so freaking cute. It's Hogwarts, okay? I love how each nail is a different design, but they're all cohesive, and obviously they're all Harry Potter related. I've actually been waiting for the week of Halloween to wear these because they're just so freaking cute. There is Parseltongue. This is so pretty. It's again like a green French tip, but the tip doesn't go all the way down. It's more of a snake design. So it's like a snake, but it has a tip to it at the same time. So I think that's a really fun design. I've also worn Luna Lovegood style. It's so freaking cute. And then I've worn, I want to say it was Slytherin, which was that green style. Love it. Absolutely love all these styles. They're so stunning. Recommend any of them. I do have a code for you. It's Brooke Beauty. You can get 30% off your Glamnetic purchase. However, it does exclude their newest launch. So with this Snow Day collection, when they release a new one, you'll be able to get 30% off of these, but right now when it's their newest collection, unfortunately you can't. And it also does exclude the Harry Potter collection, but any other product, anything on the site, lashes, nails, nail glue, liner, if you want the removable makeup pads, if you want their sleep mask or whatever, you can get 30% off of that with the code Brooke Beauty. So save that, remember that for your Glamnetic purchase, because you should never have to pay full price. Now this next one, when I tell you, thank God I was home alone when I received this, because the scream that I let out of my body, we actually had to replace all the windows in our home because I did shatter them all. There are about 2 or 3 series that I am just that just, you know, I just get like super fangirl over. So one is Game of Thrones and the other is the Vampire Diaries. So when I saw this, I lost it. Like it took me a few minutes to like just appreciate, oh my god, it's a literal Vampire Diaries brand collab. Okay, so also it's fall and I haven't watched Vampire Diaries in a long time, so this totally has me wanting to like rewatch it. Let me know if you're a Stefan or a Damon girl, because I switch it up, but like I'm always Stefan at heart. Now that I'm older, I'm always Stefan at heart. I always have been Stefan at heart, but there's just something about Damon, bitch. I don't know what it is. I know what it is. We all know what it is. So, Lottie London was kind enough to send me their Vampire Diaries Love Sucks collection. So let's go through this. I'm so excited. So I'll show you again what the box looks like. So it comes with, the first thing we're gonna go through is this Love Sucks eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. It definitely gives Vampire Diaries, if you know like the cool tones. I love that there's two beautiful, colorful colors in here. You then have the press-on nails. I think these are so cute. Again, I feel like I'm gonna say fun so often. Just so fun. It's definitely Vampire Diaries inspired, and I love that it's more for fall. And again, it would be perfect for Halloween. Next, we have an eye gloss. This is just gonna be really fun to put over your eyes, give a little shimmer. I don't have a specific eye gloss, so I'm really excited about this. Then we have the Sire blending sponge. Again, just that red and black. It's so Vampire Diaries. I always need a sponge. Sponges are amazing, so it's great to have another one of these. I am so excited about this. I love the packaging. It's the Blood Drip Lip Tint in Love Sucks. It's like this lip pigment and it's clear and then it has red in it, kind of like to be like blood drop, you know what I mean? So I appreciate the little things in life and I fucking love this. Then they have their pH changing blush, and you can also use it on your lips. But I love that this is in stick form. I love the pH colored blush. I love cream blushes, and this gives such a beautiful color. So I think this was such a fun PR package. Again, I lost my shit when I saw this come in. A huge thank you to Lottie London for including me in this send, because if I saw this online and didn't get it, I would have been a little disappointed, not gonna lie. This one I'm literally so excited for because Olive and June reached out to send a package and they just did the most, and I am so grateful. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to get into some nail art manicure, especially I feel like I need to do my toes, like a nice fall color. So I'm so excited to have myself a little spa day and show you just the most incredible package from Olive and June. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so amazing. This is a dream come true opening this. Again, I was like screaming, so excited. We have a little thing here. Beautiful nails for everyone. It's fall, time to layer up. So then they just talk about their favorite ways to layer their products. So we have the hand serum. My hands get so dry, especially in winter. I'm constantly washing them just because I'm kind of a germaphobe, but I have a dog, so I feel like whenever I pet him, I have to wash my hands. This is going to be used up so quickly. My hands are so dry. I already know I'm gonna love this. Let's get a little try actually and see. I don't think it has a scent to it. I think it's scentless, which is kind of nice. Yeah, it's scentless, which is nice. Sometimes it's a little overwhelming when, wow, my hands are so soft. Oh, I wish you could feel this. This is so soft. And I get why they call it a hand serum now, because it definitely has that extra bit of slide to it, and it has cactus flower in it, so that's cool. It's gonna help with hydration. Next, we have dry drops. I cannot wait to try these. We've all been there when you cannot be patient enough for your nails to dry, so you end up messing it up and then you have to do it again, and it's just a nightmare. We've all been there. Ooh, it looks like we have some of their press-on nails. We have Fall Ruby Swirl, Plaza Velvet, and then layered circles, and some nail glue. Okay, so now we have this cute box. I love the colors on this, okay? It's the little things in life. So it's time for our best nails ever, ladies and gents. Let's get into it with some of these polishes. I'm so excited. They're such beautiful colors and fall colors. I'm so excited. And some of these shades, like I don't have or I wouldn't have chosen for myself. And I'm really excited to try them. Like for example, this shade right here, I love this. This is like a blue jean kind of color. It's called Favorite Beanie and it's just so pretty. I wouldn't have chosen this because normally I go for like bright colors, but this is gonna be perfect fall and I cannot wait to try this. This is Luxe Loafer. I love a purple, a deep burgundy, and almost like black deep color. Love it. This is so stunning. I'm gonna use this a lot along with Obsessed. Love this. It seems to be a little bit lighter than the Luxe Loafer. So I'll show you close-ups of those. Next, I'm super excited for this because this is actually like a little top coat. It has glitter in it so I can like take my nails to the next level, level them up and layer them like they showed in that little pamphlet. Always need a top coat. I'm really picky with my top coat, so I'm excited to see if I like this or not. I love that they included a nude because I always use a nude. This is in the shade It's Chilly. Then we have Can I Borrow a Sweater. Speaking of sweater, I would love a sweater in this color. This is a super cute kind of like mauvey pink. And then there is, I almost read it as Caution Flammable. There's the Styled JJ, which is this really pretty color. It's more of like a brown pink. And then it looks like we have a nail polish remover pot. These are amazing. You just, it takes it right off. Very convenient. You don't have to deal with you know, cotton pads or anything like that. There's a little pouch in here. And in here we have a buffer. We have a cuticle serum. I love that this comes in this kind of like packaging. I feel like it's a lot more convenient to keep it clean and together like this. So this is really awesome. This would be great to throw in your purse for travel too. I'm so excited to get one of these. So this is their Poppy. You pop it onto any nail polish bottle so it gives you more grip to hold, especially with your non-dominant hand. This is gonna come in handy. I cannot wait to try this, and I love the fall color. You always need nail trimmers. I love that this has a rubber base to it so they don't slip and slide around and they're not too loud. I drop a lot of things, so when I normally drop nail clippers, it sounds like I'm breaking the whole floor. You always need a nail file, and there's this little nail brush here also. So a huge thank you to Olive and June for sending this package. You are amazing. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to use these goodies, and I will be sure to do reviews for you guys once I get to try everything. Okay, so it's funny that we're filming this because I literally just got this in. This is another Olive and June Ironic package. This, you guys, once I said it's the little things in life, I love when things come custom, and the fact that there's a sticker with my name on it. It might just be a sticker, but it's personalized, and I really appreciate that. So it looks like this is the We're Stuck on You. This is their super stick press on nail. So what's cool about this is it comes with stickers rather than glue, and it says it lasts up to 7 days. So I'm really excited to try these. These styles are so freaking cute. Huge thank you to Olive and June again for sending this. This is so cute, and I love the personalized hard candy, but I have to be careful when opening this because unfortunately one of the palettes did break and it kind of got all messy in here and crumbled. But it looks like we have some eyeliners. I'm super excited to try these out in different colors. Like I said, so this and this eyeshadow palette are broken. This one is completely fine. Ooh, oh, okay. So my package had a little tough love, but that's okay. It looks like we have some glitter palettes now. That's so exciting. A couple of them are broken, not a big deal. Another Lottie London package. This one is super exciting because it's a little collab with Skin Proud. So it includes this highlighter, this Diamond Bounce Illuminating Highlighter and Frosted. This is a gorgeous icy winter color. I'm super excited to try that. So it comes with a eyeliner stamp, comes with a little freckle tint. Then there is a Super Flake mascara and pH changing blush. Like I said, I love this. It's in the shade Onyx. And then we have the Skin Proud face melt. This is gonna come in handy because I'm constantly removing makeup, and I like to use something like a cleansing balm or a melt like this to gently remove my makeup. So I'm super excited to try this. I've never tried any of their products personally, so I'm super excited to try them out for the first time. A Lancome package to open. I'm super excited about this one. Comes with 2 of the Juicy tubes. I have the color Spring Fling and Miracle, which is like a pinky shade and then a pink shade. It comes with the Clarifique Refining Brightening Pro Solution. It has 10% PHA, niacinamide, and French beet bud extract. So I'm excited to see what this is like. The Lash Volumizing Mascara and the Lash Volumizing Base. Next we have a liner. Always need more liquid liner. Fragrance. Life is beautiful, baby. So I'm super excited, and again, huge thank you to Lancome for sending this package. So received their Genevieve, which is their super viral face serum. It sold out like every 30 seconds, I believe. So I will put that on the screen also. Okay, so I think for the most part, I'm pretty caught up. Like I said, this is super informal, but I'm so sick of feeling like I have to be in my filming setup to like actually film a YouTube video. I need to get myself out of that head process. So this is my way of doing this. Just a quick video showing you guys the new PR items I got. Again, a huge thank you to all of the brands who were kind enough to send me something. I am so grateful and excited to try everything. If there's anything you want to see specifically from this video, or if there's any content you want to see specifically from me, let your girl know. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I know it's like annoying to say that and ask that, but like if you could just do it, it really helps out. Leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.